calisthenic training versus bodybuilding, all right? So when it comes to each exercise, which one's gonna really help you build the most muscle fastest, okay? I wanna be honest with you. Calisthenic training sucks, okay? If I'm just using my own body weight and I'm pushing my chest like this, you know how many reps I need to do to be able to create some true hypertrophy? You wanna use weights to create more tension to those muscles. That's what's gonna help you build muscle faster, okay? So if you really like calisthenics, do something like this. If I'm gonna do chest exercise, get some freaking dumbbells, all right? Hit it up with the weights, all right? Lift heavy, all right? Really create that tension. Now, with the heavy resistance, I'm gonna gain more strength, more stamina, and more hypertrophy, right? But then